Salve, salve tropinha, passando no início do vídeo aqui, mano, pra falar pra vocês aí que agora eu tô voltando com tudo com o canal, beleza? Então, mano, já chega deixando aquele like, se inscrevendo no canal, porque hoje é só clipada insana, tropa, só clipada insana, que o menino é um leão, tá ligado? Que aqui é só capa. E é isso, tamo junto, é nóis, deixa o like, compartilha e fé.
E às vezes ela vai embora, mas volta porque gosta. Volta porque gosta, mano. E ela ficou boa.
If I die young, bury me inside, lay me down on a bed of roses, sink me in the river at dawn, send me away with the words of a love song. If I die young, bury me inside, lay me down on a bed of roses, sink me in the river at dawn, send me away with the words of a love song.
Now this is dedicated to the ones that lost their lives a little too early, to the families out there still in pain. I know that y'all still hurting, losing loved ones, young daughters and sons no longer with us. To the soldiers overseas, never coming home to their families. We grieve, but it really don't get no better. Their candle went out too soon, so much to live for still. Just built a baby's room. Last year he was the groom, and now his soul is set free, but still alive in your mind when you lay down and sleep. They never really gone, take time like Cash said. They living in our hearts, I know it, I can feel them there. They looking down upon us, guiding us through all the struggles, helping us to find all the pieces of the puzzle. Yeah, the pain's double when it's someone so young, but they gon' live through us so they can see how it's done. Yeah, all the tears and the fun and everything in between. We raise a glass in the air for the ones no longer seen.